Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you a new way of cooking traditional Russian sirniki. We will bake them. We will need 400 grams of 14 ounces cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons raisins, vanilla sugar to taste and 1 banana. Let's get started. Preheat oven up to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk egg with sugar and vanilla until nice and smooth. Then add cottage cheese and mashed banana with fork. Subscribe and you never miss our new video recipes. Put raisins, flour and thoroughly mix. Let butter to rest for 10-15 minutes at the room temperature. After the rest, mix butter again and put into a small silicone muffin cups. More delicious recipes on our website rednumber1.com. Place cups on the oven tray and bake sirniki in the oven 20-30 minutes until evenly golden. When sirniki are ready, take them out from silicone cups while they warm. Serve sirniki with sour cream, yogurt, jam, honey, powdered sugar or fresh berries. And bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like it and subscribe.